If you have these 3 ingredients on hand, you can make the most delicious coffee creamer. We've got a quart of half and half. I've got some vanilla here, and this is all I have left. I think I need to make more. And then sweetened condensed milk. And I read the ingredients on here. It's milk and sugar. That's it. No preservatives, nothing. So what I did was I already poured the sweetened condensed milk in my mason jar, and I'm using a larger one because I'm going to use this here. Some people call it a boat motor. I don't. To mix it up, I'm going to add a little vanilla. And if you like it sweeter, put some more sugar if you like. It's up to you. But let's fill this up. Maybe not all the way. We just need to get this mixed up. Let me do this real quick. Okay, this took about a minute, which actually surprised me, but it took longer. You know, I've never used this before to do this. I usually just use a spoon. This is way better. Try shaking it, it's not gonna work. I think if you try shaking it, it's not really going to work. So I'm gonna pour it in this jar because I have the lid for that jar. And then I will add more cream as I go. See, there's still a little bit more in here. I'm actually gonna shake this up a little, see if I can get some more. And then once I use a little bit of this, if all of this cream doesn't fit in, I will certainly just add the rest of the cream. Now again, if you like it sweeter, add some sugar. I'm fine with it just the way it is. There we go. And you have yourself homemade coffee creamer. Doesn't take long, just a couple minutes. There you go. By the way, some people like to put cinnamon. I hadn't thought of that till just now. I've seen other people put cinnamon. I don't need the cinnamon. I'm fine with it this way. Of course, there are some health benefits with cinnamon, but I'm good with it this way. Enjoy.